children, I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Today I will start with the chapter 3 and the topic is Roman numerals. Children, as you already studied in class 3 about Roman numerals, so you know it very well. The Romans have used 7 letters as numerals. Here all 7 letters are given and the values of these letters are given below them. First one is I. The value of I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and is 1000. These are known as Roman numerals and these are the values given for them. Now children, I will tell you how to write numerals using Roman numerals. Here are some rules given to you. You have to follow these rules when you will change the Roman numerals in numbers. First rule is the numerals I, X, C are special. These are the only numerals that can be placed together, repeated in a row and can be subtracted. Means these are special symbols and they can be repeated and subtracted. I, X and C can be repeated in a row up to 3 times only to form large numbers. The values of the repeated numbers gets added. Here are some examples given in front of you. This is the Roman numeral and we have to find the value of this Roman numeral. So children, how to find the value of this Roman numeral? Let me tell you. This is I. And as you already know, the value of I is 1. So I is written 2 times here. So we will add 1 plus 1 2 times and we get 2. So the value of this Roman numeral is 2. Next example is I. So what is the value of this Roman numeral or how to get the value of this Roman numeral? See, as I is written 3 times, so we will add 1 3 times and we get 3. So the value of this Roman numeral is 3. Next example is X. How to get the value of this Roman numeral? X is written 3 times here. So we have added 10 3 times. As you know, the value of X is 10. So we have added 10 3 times and we get 30. So what is the value of this Roman numeral? 30. This is also known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Last example is here it is written CC. So what is the number for this? How to get the number for this Roman numerals? C is written 2 times. So we have added 100 2 times here. As we know, the value of C is 100. So we have children. So we have added 100 2 times here and we get 200. So value of this Roman numeral is 200. Next rule is when a smaller numeral is on the right side of a greater numeral. Like this you can see this is the smaller numeral and this is written on the right side of the greater numeral, then the numeral gets added to the greater numeral. So this is the smaller numeral and it is on the right hand side of the greater numeral. So the value of V is 5 and the value of I is 1. So we have added 5 plus 1, that is 6. So the value of this Roman numeral is 6. Next is VII. What is the value of V? 5. Then we have added plus 1 and we get 7. So this is the symbol for 7. Next is VIII. Value of V is 5. Then I, for I we have added 1. For another I we have added 1. Again we have added 1, as 3 times I is repeated here. So we have added 1 3 times and we get 8. So this is the Roman numeral for 8, or 8 is written as this way. Now the last example is XII. This is the value of x is 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 12. So the value of this Roman numeral is 12. Now children, till here I hope you all have understood. Another rule is, next rule is, when a smaller numeral is on the left side of a greater numeral. You can see smaller numeral is on the left side of the greater numeral, then it is subtracted from the greater numeral. Suppose here it is IV. So it is written on the left hand side and the value of V is 5. The greater value is 5 and smaller value is 1, which is written on left hand side. So we will subtract 1 from 5 and we get 4. So this is the symbol of 4. Next example is IX. Again the smaller numeral is written on the left hand side of the greater numeral. So we will subtract 1 from 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is the Roman numeral for 9. So the value of this Roman numeral is 9. This is XL. Greater numeral is L. Smaller numeral is X, which is written on the left hand side. So children, again we will subtract the value of smaller numeral from the value of greater numeral, that is 50. The value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. So we have 50 minus 10, that is 40. This is the way we get the value of Roman numerals or Hindu Arabic number. When a smaller numeral is between two greater numerals, then it gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. Here, both are greater. L and X are greater than I. So, we will write the value of L first, that is 50, plus the value of I, that is 1, will be subtracted from the value of this numeral, that is 10. So this is known as 10 minus 1. 50 plus, in bracket we will write 10 minus 1, that is 9. So equals to 50 plus 9, that is 59. This is the way, this is how we get the value of this Roman numerals. Now we know that XXXX is not 40, as we cannot repeat the numerals more than 3 times. So children, how we will write 40? In this way, XF, that is 50 minus 10, is equals to 40. Now, here I have given you exercise. Write using Hindu-Arabic numerals. Children, this you have to do in your fair notebook, and I will give you some exercises on classroom section that you have to follow my instructions which I will give you in classroom section, and accordingly you will do in your fair notebook. That's all for today. Thank you children. Take care. Bye bye.